Have you wondered how to make money selling digital stuff even if you're not a tech genius or have a huge following? Well, you're in luck. There are ways to rake in some serious cash like 10, 15, even 20 grand a month just by creating and selling digital products without a website. Stay tuned as we uncover your roadmap to success, broken down into easy-to-follow steps. First step, explore profitable niches. Now I get it. The digital landscape can seem like a vast and daunting wilderness, but fear not. Use tools like ChatGPT to research popular niches for digital products. Start by plugging in some keywords related to your interests, passions, or areas of expertise. Maybe you're into fitness, fashion, or finance, and watch ChatGPT working for you. Look for areas where you have some knowledge or expertise. And hey, don't be afraid to think outside the box. Sometimes, the most unexpected niches can be the most profitable. So keep an open mind, explore different avenues, and trust your instincts. Once you've identified a few promising niches, do some research. Get to know your audience inside and out, their needs, desires, pain points. The more you understand them, the better equipped you'll be to create products that they can't resist. Second step, generate product ideas. All right, now that we've dipped our toes into the world of profitable niches, it's time to brainstorm some product ideas. Start by thinking about what makes your chosen niche tick. What are the burning questions, the pressing needs, the gaps that need filling? Once you've got a good grasp on that, it's time to start brainstorming. Consider all the different types of digital products you could create. Maybe you're a natural wordsmith and fancy whipping up an ebook filled with valuable insights and tips. Or perhaps you're a born teacher and want to create an online course that guides people step by step through a complex topic. And hey, let's not forget about the good old PDF guide, a quick and easy way to deliver valuable information in a digestible format. But don't stop there. Get creative. Maybe you want to create a series of instructional videos, a downloadable template pack, or even a virtual workshop. The possibilities are endless, so don't be afraid to let your imagination run wild. Now that we've identified profitable niches, brainstorm product ideas by understanding key questions, needs, and gaps in your niche. Consider creating an ebook, an online course, or a PDF guide. Get creative with options like instructional videos, downloadable templates, or virtual workshops. The possibilities are endless, so let your imagination flow. Third step, create your digital product. Now, it's time to bring your digital masterpiece to life. Luckily, platforms like Canva are here to make the process easier. With their user-friendly interface and array of design tools, you can whip up a professional-looking product in no time. Also, harness the power of AI to streamline the creation process even further. With these tools at your disposal, you will have a one-of-a-kind digital masterpiece. Fourth step, choose a platform to sell. Now that your digital masterpiece is ready to go, it's time to find it a home. Luckily, platforms like Sellfy have got your back. With just a few clicks, you can set up your very own digital store, no fancy website required. Simply upload your product, set a price that reflects its value, and you're off to the races. Plus, Sellfy offers all the tools you need to manage your sales and connect with your customers so you can focus on what you do best, creating awesome digital products that people love. Fifth step, set up your store. Now that your digital storefront is open for business, it's time to make it shine. Customize your store on platforms like Sellfy with compelling product descriptions, eye-catching images, and pricing that reflects the value of your digital goodies. But why stop there? Consider offering subscription options to reel in that sweet recurring revenue. With the right tweaks and additions, you'll have customers flocking to your virtual storefront in no time, eager to snap up your awesome digital products and keep coming back for more. So let your creativity flow and watch your store transform into a digital powerhouse. Sixth step, legal and accounting setup. As your digital empire takes shape, it's crucial to set up your legal and accounting front. Take the time to ensure you've got all the necessary legal and accounting infrastructure in place. This means consulting with an accountant to get a handle on tax implications and setting up your business entity. By getting these foundational elements sorted early on, you'll set yourself up for success and avoid any nasty surprises down the road. So don't skip this step. It may not be the most glamorous part of running a business, but it's definitely one of the most important. 7th step. Promote your products. Now that your digital products are ready, it's time to spread the word far and wide. Get creative with your marketing tactics. Team up with influencers to reach new audiences, run targeted ads to get your products in front of the right people. And don't forget to sweeten the deal with irresistible discounts and promotions. The key here is to cast a wide net and experiment with different strategies to see what works best for your audience. With a little creativity and perseverance, you'll have customers lining up to get their hands on your awesome digital products in no time. 8th step. Monitor and adjust. Monitor your sales metrics and listen carefully to customer feedback. They'll tell you what's working and what's not. Be ready to adjust your marketing strategies and product offerings as needed to keep those sales rolling in. Whether it's your ad campaigns, refining your product descriptions, or exploring new niches, staying responsive will ensure your continued success in the world of online sales. 9th step. Scale your business. Now it's time to take things to the next level. As your digital empire gains traction, don't be afraid to think big. Consider expanding your product line to cater to new audiences or exploring additional revenue streams to diversify your income. Stay on the lookout for opportunities to grow and improve your digital business, whether it's through strategic partnerships, innovative product offerings, or savvy marketing campaigns. By continuously seeking ways to scale your business, you'll ensure that your success is not only sustainable, but also boundless. So, there you have it. Your roadmap to making money online by selling digital products without even needing a website. It's been quite the journey, huh? But it doesn't stop there. You've got to make sure your store has the legal and accounting stuff and, of course, promote your products like a boss. We've covered a lot of ground today on Profitability Plus, talking about how to make money online by selling digital products without a website. Now, it's your turn to join in on the conversation. What's one niche you're passionate about, and how could you turn that passion into a profitable digital product? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. And if you found this content valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest tips and strategies for boosting your profitability. Let's make those digital dreams a reality together.